Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply put your WordPress site in read-only state for site migrations and maintenance. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click plugins, and when you're here you want to write code freeze. Just add a new plugin, code freeze, and now you're gonna see it here, content freeze, install now, activate it, and now when you got it, you can do whatever you want. Content freeze, freeze content, pages, and voila. So that's it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.